Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. So today what we are going to do is we're going to make this huge mandala, and this is a canvas. I did it on canvas and the whole diameter of the canvas was 50 centimeter, I guess, but it's very huge. As you have seen before, I have made a video of a huge mandala. You can go and check it out, but this is way bigger than that one. So just let's get started, shall we? Okay guys, so first thing first, I forgot the first part of the whole video and I did it, but somehow it just got deleted, so I'm just left with this half video. I hope you like the video, and okay, let's get on with it. So what I'm doing here is I'm filling all the gaps in these little designs with the paint marker. I'm using paint markers here. So if you don't want to use paint markers, you can also use some acrylic colors, but I guess acrylics are they look much better than this, but I was in such a hurry and I couldn't finish it if I would have done it with the acrylic color. But if you can, that's a better option, I guess. Do try this. I think the round canvas, you can find this in any stationery shop. If you don't, just go on Amazon. There are so many options there of different sizes, and make a mandala. And you can, if you don't want to make a bigger one, you can choose a different size than this, but bigger it is, it will take more time, but it will sure look great. Okay guys, so this is what it looks now in the end, and I hope you liked it, and if you did, please comment below and give me a huge thumbs up. So I'm just giving few touches here and there, and I'll show you in the end how huge it is, and I'll compare it to the previous mandala that I did. If you want to check out my other video about that, you can, I'll put a link below for you guys. So this is what it looks now. And the colors that I chose, I'm really happy with those colors, because there's pink is more prominent here, pink, blue and green. So those are the primary colors that I wanted to use, so I'm pretty much happy, okay, with the whole result. I hope you liked it too, and if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do it right now, and just tell me your views and if any different ideas that you have for me. Just do comment below and give me a huge thumbs up. Till then, bye bye.